For the nation, we are back. What's up, man? It's your boy Jay Rutledge, the health predator. I'm in ThinkSmart Studios, y'all. We finna get down with some tacos. Tres tojeros las chiquitas, you know, think of the nature. Yeah, we finna throw down on some show enough tacos, y'all. We got the vegan ground meat. We got the vegan cheese. And yo, y'all, we got some freaking vegan sour cream up in this piece. Got the tortillas. I don't like hard taco shells. They break apart and all that, so we just got the sauce. Spicy taco mix and a good old salsa. So y'all, we finna get down with some tacos. And y'all remember, please like, subscribe, and try this recipe. Leave your comments down in the comment section and let me know how you like it. And always remember, y'all, your health is your responsibility. But say, let's get down with these tacos, because y'all, I'm telling you, it's gonna be on and crackin'. Bam! All right, y'all. Back to making these tacos. There's the grapeseed oil in here. This is my measurement, y'all. This is the only measurement I do. You know the measurement. I don't want it to be too oily. You know what, y'all? Just left and go and just put all that in there. And this is me tripping. Do it just like that. All right. Y'all, this alpha crumble, this is a great plant-based meat. It really is. Alpha crumbles, plant-based, original beefy. Y'all, it tastes just like beef. It's good. It's really good. You will not be disappointed. I got mine at Sprouts. I don't know where you part of the globe you stay, but yeah, it's good, y'all. It's really, really good. You will not be disappointed at all. Let me turn this heat up a little bit more. All right, got some garlic right there, some red onions. Start it off. Then, y'all said finna make this symphony in a minute. I'm trying to tell you. About to get real. Aromatic. Prince had a song back in the day saying A-U-T-O-matic. I'm trying to tell you, y'all. Y'all, we're gonna have a spicy taco mix. Oh my God. Got the salt. Don't need the turmeric on this one. Salt. Don't need the garlic. I got garlic in there. Salt and pepper, taco seasoning. That's it, peeps. That's all she wrote. And I'm gonna throw this. This is a secret ingredient. There ain't no secret because I'm showing it to you. That chipotle. I know it's called chipotle, but you know that's just me. That chipotle, it's amazing. That's a smoked jalapeno. Insane. I'm trying to tell y'all. You know, if y'all can hear it, she's starting to talk. Oh my God, she's singing. Yeah, Lord, we're gonna get it in there. We're gonna get it in. We're gonna just throw this whole bag in this piece. Like that, y'all. Alpha, you've been good to me. I love it. Oh, she's singing. Do you hear it? Do you hear her? Do you hear her? Normally, I would kind of wait and let the onions and stuff cook first, y'all, but I'm gonna go and just throw it all in there together. It don't matter. It's gonna end up one place in my freaking stomach. That's all that matters. All right, y'all, gonna put a little kosher sizzle on that piece. I hope there wasn't too much. A bit of Negro pepper. Negro in Spanish, y'all, is black, so don't, you know. We're talking about Negro. Negro is black. I'm a Negro. Just saying. Oh, yeah. Now for the secret ingredient, one of taco seasoning. Oh my God. Y'all smell it. That's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I love this, man. I'm about to hurt somebody with this hymn. And it's gonna be a good hurt. Oh my God, I wish it would smell original on this plate. I don't know about y'all, but onions garlic. Almost an aphrodisiac, y'all. Real talk. Real talk. They don't take these vegan crumbles long to cook anyway. You don't have to worry about E. coli. You don't have to worry about salmonella. You don't have to worry about none of that. This is strictly plant-based. Coming from the earth. It's made from soy, non-GMO soy, which is the best. It's full of protein, antioxidants, all that good stuff. People ask me, where you get your protein from? You don't eat meat. Bruh, where you think the cow get it from? Get it from the earth. Gets it from the earth. All right, start on. Pretty much already done, y'all. So, let me put a little bit of salsa with it. About right there. Ooh, y'all hear that singing? It's a symphony, y'all. That's a symphony. Turn it down a little bit. Like I said, I don't like hard taco shells because they break apart and all of that kind of stuff. And I don't know where the corn is, where it come from. So I just use, some wraps and just make some soft tortillas and make some soft tacos. Put these up real quick. Like that. Let's turn that down. Yeah, y'all. Okay, y'all, that's it. Just these tacos, just that fast. And I really don't do iceberg lettuce either, y'all, for my tacos. Iceberg lettuce is basically, it's really no nutritional value in there whatsoever. But if that's what you like, hey, be more than welcome. I love like spinach, spring mix, things like that. That's usually what I put on mine. And like that iceberg lettuce, that's just, I call it wilted spinach is what I call it, because it's really no nutritional value. It's basically just water, solid water, almost ice. You know what I mean? But yeah, y'all, it's done. Man, I wish y'all could smell this. Have mercy. Oh. Eat me near the cross. Good night, early morning. Y'all, this is smelling delicioso. I'm gonna learn Spanish, y'all. Y'all pray for me. Prayer works, so I'm gonna learn it. I'm gonna learn it. Believe that. Let these over, they're getting good and warm. Yes. All right, y'all. Get ready to assemble these. We finna do this thing, y'all. Y'all, about to assemble. Just cutting up some bell pepper, y'all, real quick. I love red bell pepper. Full of vitamin C. Most people grab oranges for vitamin C. I grab a red bell pepper. In fact, I'll tell y'all a quick story real quick while I get everything together. A few years back when I first started, I got some food falling out my mouth, so good. A few years back, when I was working with Frito-Lay, came home one day, my throat started hurting. Hurting real, well, it wasn't hurting real bad, but scale of 1 to 10, it was about like a 6. I'm like, Lord, I don't know what's going on. But anyway, just started looking up natural remedies. And bell pepper. So okay, and I had some real bell pepper in my refrigerator. But normally I would eat 1 bell pepper, a day anyway. So, but this day I ate 2. And then the next day I ate some more bell pepper. And that evening, my throat was completely healed, like for real. So y'all, I'm telling you, red bell pepper, stronger than an orange. I'm telling y'all, and it's good. And it's good. All right, y'all, so here we go. About to assemble these tacos. It's gonna be more of a wrap, but it is what it is. All right, y'all, here we go. Get this ground meat, y'all. This is, oh my God. Oh my God. I wish y'all could smell this. Have mercy. Oh my spicy. So, Jesus. Some of this queso. It's non-GMO. Cheese. Vegan cheese. Oh my God. Put the little bit on there like that there. Like I say, I'm gonna put a little bit of this herb cilantro. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about cilantro. Cilantro is a really, really strong and powerful herb. It is so strong that it will take, if you have like mercury fillings or anything in your mouth, which you really shouldn't have, but you know, you do what you gotta do. It literally takes them, when it breaks down in the molecular structure, this cilantro will help take any heavy metal that you have in your mouth out. That's called, they may be toxic to your body. Cilantro is cold-blooded. And it's full of chlorophyll. See that green color? Full of chlorophyll, which is a blood cleanser and a detoxifier. And it's good. And it's really, really good. And I'm just gonna do this one right here, y'all. I say, when it's bell pepper, oh my God. Y'all, let's go down. Y'all, I'm up and shaking. I can't wait to get this here in my belly. Have mercy. All right, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. And left my daggone salsa over there. I'm finna put just a little bit more salsa on y'all because I love salsa. Just a little bit on there. Jesus. Keep me there. Your cross. Oh my God. Y'all, it's about to get real. It's about to get real. Hold your thoughts. Y'all forgive me, I'm salivating. You know what? Y'all excuse me. It don't make no sense. Stuff to be this good. And I ain't saying this because I made it. Y'all, this is good. This is real deal Holy Spirit. And on top of that, y'all, here's the thing. Oh my God. Food gathering. I just had one. Just had two. Oh my God. Y'all, this is so good. Y'all, please try this recipe. Y'all, please try this recipe. While I'm thinking about it, y'all, oh my God. Let me hear it so I can say this. I'm on a quest. I'm on a quest. Journey, whatever you want to call it. Now here it is, y'all. I'm the health predator. All right. Now I used to be 320 pounds. Y'all try this recipe. My God. I used to be 320 pounds. And I actually dropped down to 217. But I gained the weight back because I found some freaking vegan pastries and all that kind of stuff. So I gained a little bit of my weight back. But now, y'all, I'm on the hunt to lose 100 pounds. This is the beginning of that. I'm on the hunt, y'all. Predators hunt. So I'm hunting 100 pounds. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna lose it. Hunt down 100 pounds. Just like that. And we gonna have it. We gonna do it, y'all. But hey, don't forget, your health is your responsibility. Not your doctor's responsibility. It's your responsibility. Okay? And you get out of your health exactly what you put into it. It's on you. It's healthy choices. This your man, the health predator, J. Rudd. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and try this freaking recipe. You're gonna love it. Holla at y'all later.